Did you know these 5 simple exercises can fix almost every mobility problem you're dealing with? Do these daily and stay mobile for years to come. The 5th one is the most important. Skip it, and you'll lose your independence. Puppy pose. Fix your posture fast. Number 1. The puppy pose. This is the ultimate antidote to a sedentary lifestyle, and this single move will unlock your spine in just 1 minute. The puppy pose decompresses your spine, helping you undo the damage of sitting all day. It opens up your chest and shoulders, making it easier to breathe. Here's how to do it. Start on all fours. Slowly walk your hands forward until your chest sinks toward the floor. Keep your hips stacked directly over your knees. Actively reach forward with your arms. Keep breathing slowly throughout the movement. Do this for 60 seconds. You'll feel the pressure release almost instantly. 90/90th hip hold unlocks stiff hips in 60 seconds. Number 2. The 90/90th hip hold. Most people can't even sit in this position for 10 seconds. That's how tight their hips are. And that's exactly why your lower back ends up overworking and taking the hit. The 90/90th hip hold restores the natural hip rotation we've almost completely lost from years of sitting. It takes the brakes off your hips, so your lower back can finally relax. Here's how to do it. Sit on the floor with both legs bent at 90 degrees, one leg in front of you and one to the side. Keep your spine tall and your chest up. If you're leaning to the side, place your hands on the floor for support or sit on a block to elevate your pelvis. Aim for 30 seconds on each side. You'll feel a deep pressure in the hip socket. That's your hips finally opening up again. Number 3. The horse stance. Horse stance rebuilds strength and joint stability. The horse stance creates an unbreakable foundation. This isometric hold builds powerful legs, strong joints, and the kind of stability that protects your entire body. Research shows that static holds strengthen your tendons and improve joint stability. This is the kind of strength that keeps you mobile for decades. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width. Point your toes forward or slightly out. Lower your hips until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Keep your chest upright. This is where the mental battle begins. Hold for 60 seconds. Your legs will shake, but that's exactly how you build the foundation that keeps you on your feet for the rest of your life. World's greatest stretch. The ultimate full body reset. Number 4. The world's greatest stretch. If your whole body feels tight, do this one. In one single flow, you target every major area of stiffness. Your ankles, hips, spine, and shoulders. It's a perfect full body reset in just 1 minute. It opens up your entire body and helps you move more freely almost immediately. Here's how to do it. Step into a long lunge. Bring your inside elbow toward the floor next to your front foot. Rotate your chest upward, reaching your hand toward the ceiling. Follow your hand with your eyes as you open up your chest and spine. Do this for 30 seconds per side. It's the fastest way to restore full body movement. Deep squat, the most important position you've lost. Number 5. The deep squat. We saved the most important one for last. The deep squat is a primal human resting position. Children can stay here for hours, but most of us completely lose it with age. The ability to sit in a deep squat is a strong sign of lifelong mobility. It decompresses your spine, restores natural hip movement, and takes stress off your joints. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Slowly lower yourself into your deepest squat. Try to keep your heels flat on the floor. If you struggle with balance, hold onto a door frame or a heavy table to stay upright. Hold for 60 seconds. This is how you reclaim the natural mobility your body was built for. To see real results, you need a daily protocol. Your 5-minute daily mobility routine. Here's how to combine these 5 movements into a simple 5-minute daily routine. Start with the puppy pose for 60 seconds. Next, move into the 90/90th hip hold for 30 seconds on each side. After that, go straight into the horse stance for 60 seconds. Follow with the world's greatest stretch for 30 seconds per side, and finish with the deep squat for 60 seconds. Now, if you want to stay mobile and keep your hips strong for life, watch this video next. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.